Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about this painting here. As you've seen in the intro, the painting didn't look like that all the time. I just finished it before without the reef here, and I always thought when I had a look at this painting that this painting was not yet finished, not really done. There was just something lacking, so I decided to think about it and to put something in that would help this painting to just feel complete. So I gathered some reference for this idea I had in my head and put these ideas together in paint. And as you can see, one of the ideas pretty much worked, at least for me, just right from the start. So yeah, I just put this reef in, and this here is now the painting process. As this is a pretty simple form here, I just didn't sketch it beforehand. I just went to the painting and started right with the oils. I think this painting now looks much better. It's way more harmonic in a way. It comes together. It's not just two fish floating around, it's just a whole piece, a complete painting. The message for this video is that you just don't have to be afraid to go over a painting again that is already finished. If you have something in mind that will perhaps enhance the feeling you wanted to transport, or something in mind that will really make this painting better, then give it a try. Before you throw this bad painting away, go and put in something new. Like you see in this case here, I put in this reef and it's, in my opinion, a lot better than before. So don't be afraid and try something new. Perhaps put something in that you think might make this painting a better one, and you might end up having a real nice and good painting. And yes, that's it. So that's about it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.